Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday morning. First and foremost, good thoughts and prayers to Southern California. Now that's some devastation. So please take just a small moment of your day to pray and send good thoughts to those families and wonderful folks down in Southern California. Oh, wow. It's Thursday. Thunderous Thursday. Last night, I prepared beef and spinach stir fry. I wasn't, because it's so simple. And I'm talking about the ingredients. Just a handful of ingredients. But the impact it had is very good. I definitely will be getting this posted up in the group this morning. Check it out. It's really good. I kind of skimped on the spinach just by an ounce or two. So yeah. But other than that, I did not alter. It calls for red chili peppers. I actually use serranos because Bel Air doesn't have red chili peppers. And I don't want to go driving all around town. Tonight, another stir fry, black pepper chicken. This looks really good. I'm a big fan of black pepper. Yeah. All right, let's take a look. It's a wok day. Yes. I told you I was going to be using the Champion all week, or most of the week. It's going to be a rice day as well, again. I love rice. We got chicken. These are chicken breasts, boneless, skinless. A little bit of oil for the wok. For the veggies, red bell pepper, onion, garlic, some celery, and some green onions for some garnish. And the sauce is soy sauce, about a quarter cup, oyster sauce, rice vinegar. This is a non-seasoned. It comes in basically the three flavors I can get at Bel Air are the non-seasoned, lightly seasoned, and fully seasoned. I have all three. Oops. Honey. There's going to be some chicken stock. And of course, black pepper. As you know, I grind my black pepper, in bulk. But I use it so much. I use it so fast that it never goes stale. Some cornstarch is used twice in this. Once is to help prepare the chicken, and second of all is to help as a thickener. And long grain white rice. I can't go wrong. My go-to. All the goodies for tonight's black pepper chicken stir fry. So, Soup Symphony is in the first rough draft, if there was such a thing. I'm making things up, I guess. I've got a couple editors or a couple people proofreading it for me, good friends of mine. I've already gotten one set of notes back. I've already implemented the changes. Some of those are like, oops. But once you start staring at things long enough, it blurs. So, and I got some other pages finished yesterday, at least the content. So Soup Symphony, a medley of flavors, is coming along very nicely. If you would like to help proofread, please let me know. It doesn't take much time. Really, I promise. Just let me know. Either message me or make a comment on this post. And because the more eyes, this is something I learned with my last cookbook. The more eyes I have on it, the more mistakes and errors are found. So, I'm having fun. Have a great day. eat great food, and have fun cooking.